Let's take a look at this Renegade XL X45DBM floor plan at Flying A Motorsports. This quad slide offers one of the largest entertaining areas in the front half of the coach. Some of the upgraded features that you see throughout the Renegade XL is lighting in the slide out fascia, soft close high gloss cabinets, quartz countertops, power remote controlled blinds. This coach is loaded with storage areas under the dinette, the love seat, across the cab, as well as overhead cabinets above the couch dinette. And then this large kitchen slide out has drawer storage, shelf storage, as well as a built-in pantry on your way to the laundry area. This bath and a half floor plan has 2 slide outs in the rear bedroom, giving you a lot of additional space to walk around, a mini king bed with accent night lights, nightstands, and the expanded storage wardrobe closet in here has a bar for hanging clothes, drawer storage as well. And in the back you'll find a nice sized luxury bathroom with tile accent wall, full body sprayers, built-in shower niches, a folding teak seat that you can fold away, as well as solid surface sides. This lit mirror offers plenty of extra lighting while you're getting ready in this luxury bathroom. Lots of storage in the vanity cabinet. Now let's check out the outside of the Renegade XL. You'll see this one does not feature the bunk over the cab like their classic floor plan. It does have the aero cab where we saw on the inside, has that additional storage, 2 Girard awnings, outdoor entertainment and freezer fridge, making it nice to host guests while you're outside the coach as well. This coach has bed liners, storage compartments. You'll see a central vac there. This rear compartment has 3/4 pass-through for easy storage of chairs or some of the larger items. In the front, you'll also find an oversized under compartment that is also a pass-through. This model, we featured the freezer fridge on a slide. You don't have to have that. You would have a large open storage compartment if you didn't. And then you'll see the 600 Aqua Hot here in the front compartment, and the side swing baggage doors, making it easy to access. We chose the chrome wheels for this paint scheme. It also has the chrome inserts in the rear cap of the coach, 40,000 pound towing capacity. As we walk around the back of the coach, you'll see the power electric cord reel in that rear compartment, a 12K Onan diesel generator, and then your water management bays, sewer compartments, all nice and easily located next to one another. Here we've got 4 lithium batteries, a dual inverter in this compartment, and the one at the front of the coach has the truck battery access. Again, the side swing baggage doors make all of these compartments easy and accessible. And the 4-color deluxe paint scheme you can get a better view of here on this Renegade XL. If you're in the market for a new Super C or motor coach, give Flying A call today.